Hey buddies, it's me, Earl, and this is my buddy Erkle.
It's me, Erkle.
Yeah, hello Erkle, it's me, Earl.
Yeah, Earl. Yeah, obviously it's you. You dummy mummy.
Shut up. Alright, me and Earl just got back from the Vietnam War.
Yep.
Yeah, he's pretty traumatized. Yeah, but we're worried we're gonna have to get sent back out because there's conflicts in Buckle there.
Yeah, there sure is.
And they're thinking they're gonna have a
Battle of the Buckle. Yeah, everybody knows already, loser.
Shut up, that's why you sound like the nerd emoji, buddy. I don't want to hear it.
Oh my god, Urkel, shut up before I kill your grandma.
My grandma's already dead, Earl.
I thought you were Urkel.
Sorry, I'm a little traumatized from the Vietnam War. Well, I think we should introduce ourselves to the guests, huh? I'm Erkle. And I'm Earl. Together we are Erkle and Earl. I'm Erkle. And I'm Earl. Together we are Erkle and Earl. Hi, I am Erkle. My last name is Erkle. I kind of sound funny. That's because I'm singing. And I also like to eat Twinkies. Hey, I'm Earl. I have a deep voice. I'm not even singing. This is my voice. I'm kind of cool. No, you aren't. I'm Erkle.
I'm Urkel.
And together we are...
Man.
I sure hate Erkle. He's always doing this to me. I just make a lighthearted joke. And he acts like I'm the end of the world. He beats me up for no reason. I hate him, I hate him, I hate him, I hate him, I hate him. I gotta get back at him. But how? Wait, I got an idea. I'm gonna act like I died, and then I'll see how he thinks. Let's see how he lives without me, Earl. This is the best plan I've ever had in my life. Oh my god. Oh my god. Earl.
What happened to you, Earl?
How did this happen, Earl? How did this happen, Earl? Earl. Earl. How did this happen? Earl is dead. And the last thing I did was hit him. I miss you, Earl.
Yeah. Urkel, you're so
Dumb! It's just a prank, bro. It's just a prank. I made you cry. Erkle.
Earl. This is the worst thing you have ever done. Ever. You made me so sad. I will never cry at your funeral, and I will take a piss in your casket, Earl! It's almost nighttime anyways. I think we should just head to bed.
Going to bed with my buddy Erkle.
I'm Urkel, and I'm so happy. Going to bed doesn't make me feel crappy. I'm freestyling, and it's cool. Going to bed before I go to school. Just kidding. I'm an adult, and that's not my fault. I grew up, got older, and got the dough on my wrist. I got a Rolex. Yeah, you know that I'm rich. Honestly, Earl is a Partner. Stop. Come on. You know better than this. You know better, Earl. Do I really? Do I really? You just called me the wrong name, Earl. It's an honest mistake. I don't even want to sleep in the same bed with you. You sick freak! Be like that then. I hope you wet the bed, Erkle. Asshole.
He's such a bully. Always bullying. Erkle's such a bully. He's always bullying me for no reason. He didn't even want to sleep with me. He's such a bully meanie. I hate Erkle. Me. Me.
Earl is always doing this. I was gonna get some shut eye. I had a nightmare. I had a nightmare where I killed Earl. I had a nightmare where I killed Earl. I grabbed a knife and I stabbed him twice. Yeah, I had a nightmare where I killed Earl. Had a nightmare. I had a nightmare where I killed Erkle. Grabbed a gun and shot him. Erkle, I am evil. That's what I thought. Erkle is a loser. Erkle is so evil. I hate Erkle. I hate Erkle. I hate Earl. I hate Earl. Together we are Erkle and Earl. Cause I had a nightmare, we had a nightmare, 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 I killed Erkle and Earl, I killed Erkle, I killed Earl, I killed Earl, I killed Erkle, Erkle, I had a nightmare where I killed Earl. He was evil, super duper evil, almost like the devil. He's so ugly, he looks like a shovel. I don't even care. Anyways, Erkle, you're ugly. I can't say that, even if it's a nightmare. I'm sorry, Erkle. I'm not sorry, Earl! Oh my god, I had the worst dream. Not a dream, it's a nightmare. That was a nightmare. Who am I kidding? That was the worst thing that's ever happened. Oh, I need to make up. I think what I did was wrong. Oh, I really hope he didn't go out. Wait, something's on the news.
Breaking news, everybody. It is me, the eyeless reporter, with some breaking news. Oh my god, this is the worst thing that's happened in American history. Almost as bad as not. I probably shouldn't. Okay, alright, shh. Alright, okay, so here's how it goes. Right after Vietnam, Buckleland invaded Poland. And America is on its last straw. They actually want to fight in this war. And the soldiers are horribly mad. And they are pissed. The Battle of the Buckle has began. May God save the army's soul.
Oh my god! I missed the draft! Erkle is probably gone! Oh my god! Earl! Oh my god, Earl! Earl, where are you?
He's go. Oh my god. Oh my god. If that ain't the finest piece of thumb I've ever seen. Hey, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, what do you want?
My name is, Earl.
Oh, really, big boy? My name is Charlene.
Oh my golly. Can I get your number?
I'm sorry, but I'm already dating a fella. He kind of looks just like you, except he has red eyes.
By any chance, this is name Erkle?
Yeah, why, yes, I think his name is Erkle, and he sounds like this.
Wait. Do you know where he is?
Oh, why, yes, I do. He went out to the army. And I hope he's okay. He's a beautiful boy, and I love him dearly.
You said I look just like him, right?
Why, yes, you look exactly like him, just with blue eyes.
How about this, alright? You just date me until Erkle gets back.
Oh, my goodness gracious. Why, that is not the most absurd request I've ever heard.
Oh, so that's a no?
No, it's not a no, it's a yes, 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 yes. Where do you live, sir?
Oh, I live over there.
Oh my God, over there? That's way better than that red guy's house. I don't even remember his name anymore.
Yeah, we don't care about that loser Erkle. I know, come on, baby. Come on, scream. Come on, scream. Yeah, come on.
Oh, nice place you got here.
I know.
All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. I declare a thumb. Woo, woo, woo.
Oh my goodness, what are you doing, you two? This is abominable. You're having a thumb. I came back because I genuinely cared about you, Earl. I felt so bad. And you betray me like this. I expected better from you, especially you, Charlene.
Oh my God. Erkle, I'm so sorry. I didn't mean it. It was just fun. It wasn't anything serious or anything.
Oh, I bet it definitely wasn't serious, huh? You get out of his house. Get out of here. I never want to see your face again. Oh, who am I kidding? Oh, who am I kidding? I forgive you.
Oh, Erkle.
Charlene, come here.
Oh my goodness, that was the best thumb war I've ever had.
Oh, I know. I got great thumb muscles.
Oh, you certainly do. Too bad you beat me in the end, though.
Shame for you. Yep. I had a clean comeback at the end and finished real strong.
You certainly did.
Oh my God. He took her from me. That's it. That is it. Oh, wait. He's not the army. He was looking for me. I could just go up to the chief and say he died. I could go up to the chief and say he died. And then it'd be great news. But no, it wouldn't be great news. The chief would be sad. Oh my God, he'd probably toe Biden. I could be a national hero. I could say I could try to save him. But I couldn't. Oh my God. I gotta go. General. What do you want? I am the faceless general. What do you want? And where's Erkle?
This is the bad news. You know the song, Erkle and Earl?
Of course I know the song. Erkle and Earl. Everybody knows the song. Erkle and Earl. I'm Erkle. And I'm Earl. Together we are Erkle and Earl. Ah! Yeah. It's just Earl now. What? No, you're saying he died. You're saying he died. Of course. Of course I'm saying he died. It's just Earl. I tried to save him, Chief, General, whatever. I tried to save him. There was a hash slinging slasher. I tried to save him, Chief. I really did. Oh my god. I know, Chief. I've been crying ever since I got the news. For your bravery, I'm gonna give you a Presidential Medal of Honor. I'm gonna tell Joe Biden. I gotta tell Joe Biden, you're gonna get a medal. You're gonna be a hero. On your great work. You are promoted to general. I quit. This is the worst news ever. I'm going to jump off a bridge after I tell Joe Biden. Chief, thank you.
Me, 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 me. Me, 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 me.
Oh, President Joe Biden. You press the ice cream button. You know, the one that Donald, you replaced Donald Trump's Diet Coke button with an ice cream button. You pressed it. Oh, ice cream, you got me ice cream. I didn't really get you ice cream. You know the song Erkle and Earl? Of course I know the song Erkle and Earl. I'm Erkle. And I'm Earl. Together we are Erkle and Earl. Yep, it's just Earl now. He was killed in a brutal fight by a hash-slinging slasher. And Earl tried to save Erkle. No, this is cruelly the greatest. This is the worst thing that ever happened in American history. I'm calling off the war in Buckle Land. This is horrible. I gotta give him a medal. I gotta save him. I need to tell the news. There's gonna be a national holiday about him for trying to save his best friend. Oh my god. This is the saddest day in American history and will never, never be forgotten. Ever. Oh my god, thank you. Give me a hug, Joe Biden.
Breaking news! It is me, the faceless reporter. And
Erkle is dead. In the famous song, Erkle and Earl. It's over. He's dead. He's died in a conflict with a hash-slinging slasher, and his best friend, Earl, tried to save him. The nation is in mourning and celebrating Earl in his attempt. He said Earl has came on here and said that the hash-slinging slasher is dead, and he will never stop anybody again. This is truly the greatest news to happen, but the worst news still outweighs it. And this is in your memory. Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light, once so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, there was stripes and flag stars through the perilous Erkle, I think, and 10 parts we watched were so gallantly Erkle, and the earls in the air gave. I don't even know. Rest in peace, Erkle. Rest in peace. Chief, where are you, Chief? Wait, what? Where's Chief? Oh my god! What is that on the news? Faceless reporter! What? Ah! Oh my god, a freak. A freak. You're a disgusting individual trying to copy the death of Urkel. You look just like him, you disgusting pig. How dare you? How dare you? How dare you? Why are you talking about him? I'm not dead. Yes, you were. You were killed in a hassling slasher. Well, it wasn't you. It was Urkel, which is the true American hero, and you're just some disgusting imposter trying to ruin a national tragedy. I'm not doing anything. I should call the police on you right now. In fact, I am gonna do that. How does that make you feel? Charlene, I'm back. Oh my god. Did you hear the news? He's dead. Urkel's dead. I know. I tried my best. I got the killer in the end. But it couldn't save him. He bled out. No. Will a thumb war cheer you up? Yes, it will.
I came as quick as I could. Charlene, what are you doing with Earl?
Oh my goodness gracious! Who are you? Intruder! Intruder! Oh my god! Earl, do something!
Don't worry, Charlene. I'll certainly do something.
What?
Oh, I'm gonna kill you! Oh my god, intruder, you're gonna kill my girlfriend! That's what you get, Earl! I'll see you at WrestleMania!
Hero!
I know, it's nothing.
You saved me! Thank you!
I know.
I'm gonna go tell the news.
That's it. I'm gonna make a time machine, and I'm going to kill Earl. I cannot take this anymore. Oh my god, I'm literally going to murder Earl. What is that? Breaking news. There was an intruder, and he was here. He was red eyes, dressing up like Urkel, an imposter, a copycat killer to the Hashling and Slasher, dressing up as the intruders, and Earl's girlfriend was attacked, and Earl saved her. What? That never happened. I do need a battery to my time machine, and he does have a battery in his camera. There he is! The Hashling Slasher! No, it isn't. No. Get this camera away. Oh my god, he's fighting me! He's fighting me! Attacked! I'm being attacked! Oh, don't mess with Urkel. I am Urkel, and I am alive. They're framing me. Earl is the bad guy. Don't trust him. I'll see Earl. Hell in a Cell. WrestleMania. Alright, I built my totem of time. Oh my god. Earl is going to regret the day he was born.
Goo goo gaga, goo goo gaga.
Is this babe? Hey, can I get a doctor?
Yeah, what do you want? I'm a doctor.
Hey, is that baby right there, named Earl by any chance?
Goo goo gaga.
Yeah, that baby's named Earl. Yeah, he is gonna have blue eyes eventually, which is actually really rare for us hands to have eyes.
I got blue.
Oh my god, he said his first words. They're gonna be his last words. Ah! Oh my god! My baby! Oh my god! My baby! Alright. Earl is dead. There's the news guy. Let's see what life is like. Welcome to day 209 in Living Hell, where we are stuck in an endless loop
of a radioactive wasteland destroyed by the Buckle in Buckleland. The Battle of the Buckle will never end, and America, the greatest country in the world, is now dirt. Little rubbish. It's a giant trash hole. There's nothing good. Look how dirty it is. This is disgusting. I'm gonna end it all. I can't take it anymore. The Buckle, he's gonna torture me. The Buckle's so evil. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is what's gonna happen if Earl doesn't live. It's either my life or the whole world's. Charlene, where are you?
She's dead. She dead. You deserve it. That's what you get for cheating on me with Earl. I'm the only person alive in America.
I'm like the coolest person alive. Only person living. I'm so cool. Oh my god, how can I get any cooler? I don't even know. I have these awesome shades. Life is so great. Oh my god, this is great. I'm gonna sing. Yo, I went back in time and I killed Earl. It was total Earl annihilation. Earl is dead, off with his head. Nobody cares about Earl anyways. Yeah, America sucks. Everything looks like a duck. I don't care. I don't give a truck. That doesn't matter at all. Yeah, I don't even care at all. Yeah, nothing even matters at all. Yeah, because everything's destroyed. Everything's left. I have all the toys. I have all the dough. All of the money. Yo, everything's good. Everything as it should. I'm the only person alive. Everything here is thriving with me. Erkle, screw Earl. Erkle, screw Earl. Total Earl annihilation in my nation. Who cares? Total Earl annihilation in my nation. Who cares? This is Earl's country. This ain't even funny. This is so cool. I got all of the money. I am so cool. Look at my shades. I bet Earl was gay. I'm sorry. That was rude. Oh, hello. It is me. I am Senor Buckle. I am Buckle. You are the last American I see. Yeah, but I'm Buckle, King of World. How did you get in the United States of Earl America? Loser, I say, loser, you are a fool. This is my country. I am Buckle. This is the battle of the Buckle, you dummy mummy. Nobody cares. Wait a minute. I only know one person that calls people dummy mummies besides me. And that's Earl. What's your name besides Buckle? My birth name was Earl. But, I renamed myself to Buckle. You're telling me I killed... There's two Earls. Are you the Earl with blue eyes? Yes. The doctor took my eyes out as a baby because she didn't want to see me seeing my brother get killed, also named Earl. Oh my god. So you're telling me one Earl becomes Buckle and the other Earl becomes Earl? That's what would have happened. That's what was predicted to happen. That's happened to my entire family tree. Oh my god. So it's interchangeable. There's no stopping Buckle and there's no stopping Earl. Yes. You're dead. Give up. No. Hey, get back here. Oh. I guess there's no winning for me. Earl will always sleep with Charlene. I either everybody thinks I'm dead and I'm a monster, or I get killed. My life sucks. Wait a minute. I have an idea. Ow! 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 Oh, jeez, that hurt. I'm just like everybody else now. Isn't that great? Such in the life of Urkel and